Hello, this is a Sandburg Library tutorial on using the Kanopy streaming platform. We are going to start at our Sandburg A to Z database page that we got to through the portal, and we will change types to ebooks, audiobooks, and streaming videos. Now we'll scroll down to K since Kanopy starts with K and click on the title to open the database. You may first be directed to a page asking if you would like to view the Sandburg collection. Since you do, follow that link through. These are all titles available on Kanopy provided by Sandburg Library. If you know your instructor wants you to watch a specific title, you can search for that title. For example, some of the art classes watch Loving Vincent, so we will look for that title. And it comes up in our search here. As you can see, Kanopy houses various titles on their platform. If you want to view a title not currently owned by the library, you can request access and the library staff will review your request. If you have any questions or need help, contact us at library@sandburg.edu.